Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you friends? Hope you all are fine. In this video we are going to show you a very interesting, beautiful, amazing, outstanding, latest and simple Christmas and jute burlap craft ideas. It's a very beautiful jute and burlap craft ideas, and jute and burlap craft are very beautiful and natural touch, natural crafts. These crafts give a warm and rustic look to our homes. When we use jute, we feel close to nature. It reminds us that simple things can also be very attractive. Jute is an eco-friendly material, and using jute crafts is a good habit because it helps protect our environment, and we should always try to use natural materials instead of plastic to save our planet. Burlap crafts are perfect for home decoration, and you can make wall hangings, flower pots, baskets, and table decor. These handmade items make the home look cozy and full of love. When you create something with your own hands, it brings peace to your heart. Jute craft teach us patience and creativity. Slow work gives the best result, and jute rope crafts are strong and long lasting. With little effort, you can make amazing designs, and never think handmade items or small, they carry big value. Burlap crafts ideas are best of beginners, and you don't need expensive tools, and simple scissors and glue and jute rope are enough to start your creative journey. These crafts are also perfect for gifting. A handmade gift shows care and respect. Always remember, love with handmade gifts is more precious than money. Jute bottle decoration is very popular. Old bottles can become beautiful showpieces. This teaches that waste items can then turn into wonderful things. Recycling through jute craft is a great habit. It saves money and reduces waste. We should teach our children to reuse items. Creativity. Burlap crafts gives a farmhouse and vintage look, and they are simple but classy. Sometimes simplicity is the best, is the real beauty. Jute wall art looks amazing in living rooms. It creates a calm and peaceful vibe. A peaceful home creates a peaceful mind. Making jute baskets helps organize things neatly. Clean and organized space bring positivity into our homes, into our lives. Jute crafts are also good for business. You can sell handmade items online in our local markets. Hard work always brings success. While making craft, take your time. Rushing can spoil creativity. Good things take time to grow. Burlap table runners and mats make dining more beautiful. Small decorations make big differences in home styling. Jute flower vases look very elegant. Natural flowers with natural material look perfect together. Nature always matches with nature. Crafting is also a stress reliever when your hands are busy. Your mind becomes relaxed. Creative work heals the soul. Jute lampshades give soft and warm light. Soft light brings comfort and relaxation after a long day. Burlap crafts are perfect for seasonal decor like Christmas Eid. Jute flower vases look very elegant. Nature flowers with natural materials look perfect together. Nature always matches with nature. Crafting is also a stress reliever when your hands are busy. Your mind becomes relaxed. Creative work heals the soul, and jute lamp shades give soft and warm light. Soft light brings comfort and relaxation after a long day. Burlap crafts are perfect for seasonal decor like Christmas, Eid, or wedding. Handmade decor makes even more special. Teaching kids jute crafts helps improve their skills. It keeps them away from screens and teaches useful hobbies. Jute photo frames preserve memories. Beautifully, memories are priceless, so they deserve beautiful frames. Always choose good quality jute. Strong material gives better results. Quality work shows your dedication. Burley crafts also support local farmers and workers. Buying jute products helps many families earn a living. Handmade crafts teach us gratitude. We learn to appreciate effort and time behind every creation. Jute crafts are budget friendly. You can decorate your home without spending too much money. Smart choices save money. Burlap decor gives a natural fragrance and earthy feel. It makes the home feel fresh and welcoming. Try new designs and patterns. Don't fear mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Jute coasters and trays are useful and stylish. Beauty with purpose in the best combination. Crafting improves focus and concentration. It teaches us to work calmly and carefully. Burlap crafts look great in cafes and shops. Natural decor attracts people easily. You can mix jute with lace, beads, or wood. Mixing materials creates unique designs. Always keep your workspace clean. A clean space helps create clean ideas. Jute crafts are timeless. They never go out of style. Classic things always stay blessed. Making crafts with family builds strong bonds. Together, time is a more valuable than anything. Burlap wreaths are perfect for doors. A beautiful entrance creates a good first impression. Use soft colors with jute or a calm look. Loud colors are not always needed. Crafting teaches self confidence. When you see your finished work, you feel proud. Jute crafts show respect for nature. Nature gives us everything, so we must protect it. Handmade decor brings warmth to any space. It feels more personal and loving. Never underestimate your creativity. Everyone has talent, it just needs practice. Burlap crafts are perfect for rustic weddings. Natural decor makes moments memorable. Always share your crafts with others. Inspiration grows when shared. Jute craft teaches simplicity and patience. There are important values in life. Even small jute decor pieces can change the look of a room. Small steps create big changes. Crafting can become your passion in income. Follow your passion with honesty. Burlap craft remind us of village life and traditions. Traditions keep us connected to our roots. Use creativity, not comparison. Your work is unique and special. Jute crafts brings natural charm and peace. Peace is the real luxury of life. Thank you so much.